Are you looking to open up a franchise but overwhelmed with all the different options that are out there? Are you worried about actually the challenges of running a successful business? And are you concerned about making the right choice? The truth is, finding and picking the right franchise opportunity is critical to your success. You need to find a franchise that aligns with your skill sets and your interests and has a proven track record in that industry. That's why we believe opening up a truck driving school franchise like Driving Academy is the best option. With the trucking industry growing and an all-time high demand for commercial licensed drivers, Driving Academy has provided the proven business model that you need in order to change your students' lives and make a great income for yourself at the same time. But we know opening up a franchise is a daunting task. That's why Driving Academy is dedicated to help our franchisees succeed. We provide extensive training and ongoing support to help our franchisees run a successful business. We are dedicated to help you develop an extensive marketing strategy, training program that will help you retain and attract new students. We understand that starting a new business can be super scary. That's why we make it our top priority to make sure everything is handled. Whether you have a fear of making sure, hey, I don't have the knowledge that I need to run a truck driving school, I don't know if I'm going to be profitable enough, is this the right fit for me? We have a proven system that will guide you step by step of the way to make sure that all of your goals are accomplished. So if you're looking to open up a franchise and you want to make sure you're making the right choice, consider opening up a Driving Academy truck driving school franchise. We have industry expertise, we have a proven track record for success, and we want to make sure that all of your goals can get accomplished. Since we're the first and only truck driving school franchise in the entire country, a lot of people are coming in at the ground floor because they see how big of an opportunity that this is going to be. That being said, territories are going fast, which means I invite you to fill out the form now so then we can actually secure your territory for you and you can actually have a conversation with one of our team members to see if it's even still available. So what are you waiting for? Fill out the form. Now you might still be thinking, well, this might not be the right fit for me. I don't have any industry experience. I don't know anything about a truck at all. Well, that's okay. I invite you to watch the next video where we'll share with you our proven system on how we're able to get our other franchisees who have zero industry experience and they're still able to run a successful business.